you so much for joining us on We Know Weather. Today we're going to be tracking Hurricane Dorian, and first we're going to take it out to Elizabeth in the field.
Conditions are a lot worse than I thought. Give me my poncho. All right. As you can see right now out here, we've got big, strong gusts of wind coming in. We're reporting live from St. Johns County. This wind is violent. Double the hat, double the protection, let me tell you. We can see these gusts are getting up to 70 plus miles an hour. We got some right, my hat, okay. Big gusts have already come blowing over things. As we can see here, this person's basketball hoop just completely taken away by the wind. I'm out here reporting St. Johns County, and as you can see, the wind is so violent. We got take shelter!
Thank you, Elizabeth. Now we're going to take it to Sophie for some updates.
Okay, so with this 11 o'clock update, there could be some wind up to like 300 miles per hour. There could also be like maybe none. I really don't know, and nobody knows. Like the hurricane knows, but like we don't know.
We're going to take it out to Elizabeth in the field for some live hurricane action.
Alright, so I'm out here. This is Elizabeth. I'm going to tell you some tips for how to survive out here in the wilderness. Floodwaters come in, you got to be prepared. You never know. Make sure big arms, you paddle, legs too, and you'll be prepared. If you do have a pair of goggles handy, you don't want that water getting in your eyes. Gotta have 20/20 vision at all times. There's a tornado warning.
Tornado warnings! Tornado warnings!
Tornado warning, come on. So I left the boogie board, and now we're here taking shelter. We'll keep you updated when we have more information.
I figured some stuff out. This red part right here is the eye wall. Zoom in here. It's getting very defined. That is not good, ladies and gentlemen. And it is coming hard. Take shelter, hunker down.
Thanks for that update, Sophie. We're going to take it out to Elizabeth in the field.
As you can see right here, we've already got about 2 inches of rainfall that are just laying on the ground now. So we're counting on the ground to soak it up. There is a high probability of flooding. So if you live within, I'd say 200 miles of this lake right here, your house will be submerged. So it's gonna get worse before it gets better. Oh, you can see the rain is just coming down at quite the rate here. My poncho's exploded and my bucket hat is wet, but we're just prepared for anything out here. So just a reminder, folks, as you can see, water has started to pile up on the streets. Do not step in it. Do not swim through it. Do not get your kayak out and start paddling. You could have nails, you could have sharp objects, you could have gators that come and try to eat you alive. So you want to avoid this at all costs. Because flooding is so prominent right here, you want to make sure you know the highest point in your location. So right now, St. Johns County, this is the highest point. Flood starts coming, the water start rising. You just, without hesitation, just get to the highest point. You just gotta fight. The storm is coming. Just get to the highest point. Just get to the highest point. Just get to the highest point! Victory! Right now we're gonna go back to you, Nicole, in the newsroom.
Thanks for going out in the field for us, Elizabeth.
The
These are some important items to have during Hurricane Dorian. You need to make sure that you have plenty of water for everyone. You need to at least have 3 flashlights per person just in case one of them runs out. You need to make sure that you have all your blankets and everything. And then you also need to make sure you gotta have plenty of snacks. You can't live without snacks. Thanks for tuning in for WKW We Know Weather, Channel 47 News. I'm Nicole Johnson, your host, signing off. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay smart.